Hi, today's video will show you how to use emojis in Windows 11 using keyboard shortcuts in various applications. Emojis have become an indispensable communication tool today. One might even be inclined to say that it is a language in its own right. In addition to enhancing and improving the way we communicate, emojis can also make words and sentences redundant at times. Now the question is, does Windows 11 have emojis? Yes, Windows 11 has its emoji keyboard that allow users to simply select from a Unicode list without going through the trouble of copy-pasting emojis from various different sources. Now let's have a check at what's new in Windows 11 emoji keyboard. Some of the new additions to the Windows 11 emoji keyboards include So I will show you how to add emojis in Windows 11. The method one is using the keyboard shortcuts. For that, first you have to open a text editor. I am just opening a notepad for example. Now after that, what you have to do is you have to press Windows plus dot. It's cool. You will get the emojis here, and if you want to add an emoji, just click on that. Emojis will be added. Now here you can see the GIF is also available. Also you can use the shortcut Windows plus semicolon to open this. It is important to note that the different apps will display different styles for the same emoji. For example, you can see that this is the smiley emoji in the notepad, but if you go to WordPad you can see a different style emojis. And there you can see a lot of categories on the top menu. You can choose your option from there. Now the second method is using the touch keyboard. Windows 11 have this feature called touch keyboard, which allow you to bring up a keyboard on the screen for typing. This is useful if your system is touchscreen enabled and allow you to type similarly like a modern mobile device. This particular laptop which I am using is a touchscreen laptop. I'll show you how you can do that. For that, you have to enable the touchscreen first. For that, you have to right click on the taskbar, then go to the settings, taskbar settings. From here, you have to enable the touchscreen. If you click on the touchscreen, the keyboard will pop up. Now if you go to the left top side, here you will get the list of emojis from here, which you can use. For example, I'm taking the notepad and I'm using the touch keyboard. From here I can go to the emojis. I can use it from here, as you can see here. But remember that the GIF don't work on the notepad. Now the next method is how to add emojis directly from the keyboard. Yes, you can add your preferred emojis directly from the keyboard without having to use the mouse or Windows plus semicolon. You can open it from here, and you can see that this will show the most recently used emojis on the list, top list. Now you can navigate using the keys, keyboard keys, and then select it. Here you can just press on enter and you can select it. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.